Hello and welcome to Market Insights. I'm Kirsty Spicer. The ASX 200 is following international markets and is in negative territory, losing 22 points in early trade. There was confusing commentary coming from Federal Reserve members overnight concerning tapering. Markets and investors alike are puzzled on the Federal Reserve's current views on tapering. Consequently, this will result in choppy trading in the near term. Watching Boart Longyear trade over the last 3 weeks has been a fascinating insight into the mind of investors. Boart is carrying crippling amounts of debt and in the recent restructure had to offer a whopping 10% on secured notes to raise the required funds. But investors are still sticking around. Boart is up 0.5% after being up over 2% in early trade. Investors are purely hoping Boart can offer a way forward. The outlook doesn't look promising, but investors evidently don't want to let go. The financial sector has recently stayed out of the limelight even when the market has lost ground. But today it's a different story. The financials index has lost over 0.5% and is following the lead of international peers, losing ground on concerns about bank earnings. With the possibility of another rate cut on the table, there remains plenty of support for our domestic banks. Local investors have a preference for our big four banks due to the high dividend yield on offer. With the Aussie dollar looking comfortable at the 94-cent mark, healthcare stocks have lost 0.7% today. The higher Australian dollar is not favourable to the sector, with most of their revenues generated in US dollars. Despite this, the sector offers great defensive characteristics. Afternoon trade looks like it will follow a similar path, with no news out to move markets. And that's your Market Insights.